So in today's video, I'm going to be making a flap sander. Can't sleep again, so I thought, started watching a few videos on that. So these are the bolts I've got. I've got one locking nut, and then I've got these lock washers for the other bolt that hasn't got a locking nut. So you just get these to come in handy. Goodbye, these are locking washers. Just got the calipers out. Give it a quick little measure, 9.6, close enough to 10mm. So then, once I've measured the thread of the bolt, gone off and got a 10mm drill bit. So then, I have 120 grit, abrasive sander roll, flexible aluminium oxide. So I don't know how I've managed to get these. I've just acquired them anyway. So let's see how these go. So obviously I've got two grits, 120 and a 60. So that's why I'm going to make the two. So all I'm going to do is cut a fair few of these up. And the idea of this is, I probably shouldn't have just ripped that out like that. So it's to be reasonably chunky. So thinking probably about that big. So you measure how big that is. You're going to have to go 6 inches or 8 inches. Only half of that. 8 inches. I reckon about 8 inches. Sorry, as you can see what I'm doing here, I probably should check, but fold it at 8 inches. Once you've got your fold going on, then we're going to want 4 facing up, 4 facing down. Fold it what? 4 times. So then you've got 4 layers on each side, and then scissors on the go. So most of the videos I've watched on how to make these, they've all used bolt sanders, bolt sander paper. This is like, I don't know whether it's the same sort of paper. This isn't off a bolt sander. I don't know what it's off. What it's for? Probably might be for a bolt sander, but aluminium oxide paper feels pretty tough in it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 more. bore you by showing you me chopping all the other ones, but that's this one anyway. So put your 8 pieces of this sanding paper. That's what it looks like on that side. Electro coated abrasive aluminium oxide paper. Excuse the snotty nose. You use clamps if you want, whatever you want to do or not. Just easier to hold something still in it. So then get about aim sort of in your middle. I reckon that's about there. Get your drill bit. My thinking is with the drill bit, go from this side of the sandpaper, not the sandy, the gritty side of it, so it doesn't blunt your drill bit. There's that. So whilst we're here, now we need a washer. So then this is going to be top, so all facing it up. That's the next time my paper is all facing it up and crissy crossing them. It's 4 facing down at the minute, but it's going to be 4 facing up after. So this is 4 facing up, but it's going to be 4 facing down after, once it's actually on the drill. Cross, and a diagonal cross, washer, nut, all my spanners aren't in here, just remember. I might be able to scrape 2 adjustables together. Let me go look for some spanners. So I managed to find 2 adjustables. So it's that heat off, so it's not annoying when you listen to the video on YouTube. On here. And then tighten her up. Could do with getting some bigger washers, I reckon, as well, because best washers you've ever seen. Good tightening. Get your lock washer locked on there. tighten it up. And obviously if you've got some spanners as well, it'll be a bit easier than this, isn't it? Even the sockets. Tighten that up. Yeah, man. Got that there. Let's quickly whack some of these on because safety first and that. Making some dust, that is. Wow. Careful. Yeah, not bad, man. Aggressive. So there we go. Quick 12 minutes left from make one from scratch. I'm going to make the other one and have 2 different grits of that bad boy. We've already got these 8 cut. Just done them at 8 inches. See how it goes. And, about there. Drill your hole. Then, not. And on this one, I've got no locking nut, so you bolt, lock washer, washer. All that way. Twist there. 4 down. 4 up. Excuse me, cough. Been ill for about 5 weeks. But I reckon it's the cold, innit? Cold fibromyalgia. Don't go well. So then another washer. I'll have a lock washer and a nut. And maybe another cheeky lock washer on this one. See how it goes, innit? It's better to be safe than sorry when you've got eyeballs involved and that. And fingers and stuff. You don't want to damage. So I'll just tighten these bad boys up. See how good them lock washers are. When there's pressure on it, it turning the other nut at the same time. They proper bite down, they do. So good investment. The lock washers are, I don't think they're that much off Amazon. A couple of squidders. Use them for everything. Like putting your roof rack on your van or whatever. And little tiny bolts. Add these lock washers for a bit of extra security in that. Nice and tight. And there you go. We've got 2 different grits, all in like 20 minutes. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, found it useful. If you're not already subscribed, appreciate it if you subscribe, and if you liked it, give the video a thumbs up. If you're already subscribed, thank you, appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.